Hello, everybody. Uh, Today we're gonna be replacing my 2014 Honda Civic cabin air filter, and I just want to show you how easy it is. It's a very simple task. So the first thing you have to do to get access to it, you have to open your glove compartment and push your drawer, your glove compartment. This way you see how it goes in, and then you go the other way too. Push the other one too. Push this one, push the other, and it goes down. So now this is your door right here. Let me get the light in. Okay. So this door right here had two clips. One here, open, and another clip over here. You got it out. So one detail. If you see here, it says your flow goes down. The filter has arrows on it. Put the arrows facing the same way as what it says here. If it says face down, the arrow goes down. So let's pull it out. This one wasn't need to be replaced. I like to replace it every 30,000 miles. See, it's pretty dirty. So let's get a new one. Okay, got a new one. So if you've seen this one, it's an original one. It's a photo later. It's kind of hard to see. The arrow is right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. You see arrows right there. So the one that I took out was an original Honda Civic. So this one goes this way. Okay, it's in, and now let's look for the lead. Okay, got it right here. So now just put it here and push it. You can hear the clip, and that's it. Now lift your door up and push this corner, and that will be it. And that's it. It's on already. Very easy task. Less than 5 minutes. Took me more because I explained it, but probably takes around 2 minutes probably. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.